Alright, you box breakers and pack rippers, welcome back to another special live episode of the Box Breakers here from the home studio office. We have for you today, it looks like 2018 Panini Donruss Baseball. So I think we're going to do this box. We just did 3 boxes of this, and sorry, you can't see. We're going to do this one first, and then we just did 3 boxes of Prestige 2018 NFL football cards, and we forgot to do this one with it. So we're going to do, we'll do another separate video for that one, but we're going to do the Donruss first. This one we need to open for, forget his name, Louise? I can't remember his name, but he comes into the card shop. He wanted to buy this box from us, but we really wanted to open it, and I didn't know if Joe really wanted us selling it, so anyway, we're going to open it, and I told him if he takes a look and there's any cards that he wants, because he goes and chases autographs. It's kind of cool. He goes to a lot of the spring training games and a lot of the Phoenix Suns basketball games and goes looking for autographs. And so he's always looking for cards. And anyway, he wanted this pack. He wanted to buy it, but anyway, we're going to open it, and then we told him if there's any cards that aren't on our value list, just like we do for you all, we would let him have those cards. So anyway, here they are. Lorenzo Cain, Kansas City. The French Connection, check that out. Andre Dawson and Gary Carter. That one's cool. We'll put a sleeve on that one for sure. Ender Incarente. Alveza Garcia. Justin Verlander, I've heard of him at least. Travis Shaw. James Paxton. Oh, look at this card. This looks like a superimposed Hall of Fame All-Stars. You got Ryan Sandberg and Ozzie Smith. What is up with Ozzie Smith in that picture, man? He is like, got some funky glasses on. He's got the funky helmet on. This picture looks superimposed, if you ask me. Anyway, check that out. That's a cool shot of Ryan Sandberg, though. Yeah, we've currently got some Ryan Sandberg items in an online auction on biddingowl.com for Cancer Compassion Connection. If you're looking to make some donations, head on over to biddingowl.com and check out Cancer Compassion Connections, and you can bid on our Ryan Sandberg lot. We've got the 86 tops in there and the 85 tops in there. Those are kind of the best cards, but anyway, I think the current bid is only $5, and it goes all to charity. So anyway, keep that in mind. If you want to head over there, I'll put a link to it in the description below, and you can help out some charity. Alright, there's Cal Ripken, Hall of Famer. Kyle Freeland. Christian Yelich. Duke Snider, another throwback one. Stars in Cincinnati. I think we might be on a Hall of Fame pack here, because there's a lot of old people in here. Nelson Cruz. Alex Wood. Brian Dozier. I think I've heard of him. Let's see who's going to be, how many are upside down. Alright, here's Madison Bumgarner. KC Masterpiece, that's cool. Zach Greinke. Alright, now they're turned around. Let's see what we got going here. Alright, we're going to flip them this way. Tyler Mayhill, rated rookie. Jim Palmer, he's an old dude, I think. Got a couple of upside down cards here. Alright, Jim Palmer. Cool. Paul Blackburn. The Commerce Comet, New York. Is that is that Mickey Mantle? Yeah, nice. Mickey Mantle card. It's always cool. The Kraken. I don't know what that is. Joey Votto. Oh, that's a Diamond King card. That's not what I remember Diamond King cards looking like. They used to be a lot cooler than that. Alright, there's Chris Bryant. That's gonna go to our Chicago Cubs fan. There's Mike Trout. Everybody loves him. George Brett. Everybody loves him. Alright, some rated rookies. Ozzie Albies. Shohei. Don't know what that is. There's another Diamond King, Ryan Braun. Alright, looks like we're into some of our insert cards here. So this is Elvis Andrus. I don't know what that one is. There's the San Diego Chicken. Check him out. Cole Helms. We got a couple upside down here. Let's see here. Cole Helms. Yarder Molina, excuse me. Nolan Arendio. And then we have this shiny card, Sonny Gray. Okay, it's numbered 312 of 345. Sonny Gray, I've never heard of him. Looks like he plays for the Yankees. Kind of a cool card, but nothing really doing there. Trey Turner. There's Kirby Puckett, Hall of Famer. Mike Piazza, Hall of Famer. Marcel Ozuna, no idea. Andrew McCutchen, I've heard of him. Ryan Zimmerman, Evan Longoria, I've heard of him. George Springer, it's a throwback card. Jordan Montgomery, Robinson Cano, Kyle Seager, Elvis Andrus. There's the San Diego Chicken again. Nice. Cole Hamels, Yardir Molina. We're getting all these people doubled up. That's weird. Joey Votto. Nolan Ryan with the throwback card. Now that's super cool. Super cool. Check that one out. Bryce Harper, Andrew Benintendi, Tony Gwynn, and Eric Thames. Alright, so our best card was the numbered card, I would say. We'll put him there, and then we'll get him in a top loader as well. Keep him protected like we like to do with our cards here. Yeah, number 312 of 345. So nothing really that special on this one. We were kind of looking for an autograph, but this is Donruss 2018 baseball cards, or Donruss baseball cards 2018, however you want to say it. Unboxing Donruss 2018 baseball cards. Worth money. I think this one might be worth $1 or $2. I'm not sure what the best card that we pulled, but anyway. Next we are going to do the Prestige 2018, like I mentioned. We'll be doing this box right here. Go back and check out our other ones. We've done one box opening of it, and then we did 3 box opening of it, and then I dropped the camera. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Like I said, we're doing free giveaways, so we want to get that free stuff out to you guys as soon as possible. Get it out of our studio here. It's taking up space, so all we need to do is get to, I think next we're going to do free giveaway at 250, and then after that we'll be doing it at 500, probably 750, and then 1,000. So stay tuned, guys. Appreciate the support. Hit the notification bell so that you can get those videos as soon as they come out, and we'll see you next time here on the Box Breakers. We're out.